Hello, my name is Mukesh Sinha. Uh, I'm a co-founder in Gravitas AI, UK-based technology company. We are in the business of conversational AI, in which we are dealing products like digital assistant, smart chatbot, and so on. Year 2020 has been unprecedented and very challenging for all of us. Reason behind individual life was on stake. So demand for healthcare and healthcare system was at the peak, and within healthcare basically it was digital healthcare. At the time of crisis or pandemic, you look forward for a system or tools which ensure consistent and accurate flow of information. Keeping consideration of that, probably Gravitas AI was the first company who introduced a COVID-19 assistant chatbot for smooth and accurate information on COVID-19 status. Data were taken from WHO for global scenario. For India, it was MOH. Uh, for UK, it was NHS. For USA, it's a CDS and so on. Lockdown, work from home, social distancing, these were the buzzword in 2020, and demand for automation was high. In fact, even day-to-day life acceptance of automation is going to be much higher than expected. You look forward for a system which ensure 24 into 7 customer care, which ensure 24 into 7 service delivery, and of course the product which is predictable and of course consistent in terms of performance. All these things can be achieved through the smart chatbot, because these days smart chatbots are multilingual in nature. It can be deployed at multi-channel level. It is cost effective, and it can be scalable quite rapidly. Our proprietary pending algorithms making our product unique and differentiating from others. These are helping us to get entry into developed countries like in USA. We have a customer in the USA, we have a customer in the Gulf countries, and of course ongoing customer in India, UK, Asia Pacific level, and so on. So we are growing. Automation is going to be play very critical role in coming days, because when you talk about healthcare for all in India kind of situation, you need to have intervention of technology, particularly digital technology, to ensure reach to the masses as well as reach to the bigger geographical area. So role of healthcare chatbot is going to be very important. In fact, our efforts and our products is being recognized and rewarded by many agencies. Recently, smart startup lane accepted as top 10 startup companies in technology front. IBM TV USA recognized as best AI company in the conversational AI segment. I truly feel Voice of Healthcare can help in this by making this product and technology popular through seminar, webinar, write-up, and all these things. It is very much needed for India, because Indian government is trying to achieve healthcare for all, and this is only possible through the digital healthcare. And when we talk about digital healthcare, it is both patient as well as healthcare service provided. They are looking beyond telemedicine. Healthcare chatbot is going to play a huge role in this. I am taking this opportunity also to wish you all very healthy and happy new year. Thank you.